Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi using a bazooka. This handy tool makes creating uniform sushi rolls incredibly easy, even for beginners. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including perfectly cooked and seasoned sushi rice, fresh nori, and your favorite fillings. A clean, organized workspace will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on crafting delicious homemade sushi. Proper ingredient preparation is key to great sushi. Begin by cooking your sushi rice until it's perfectly sticky, then season it with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Next, prepare your fillings. Slice fish, avocado, or cucumber into strips about 1/4 inch thick and 3 to 4 inches long. Lay out your nori sheets and any other components, like sesame seeds or spicy mayo, so everything is within easy reach for assembly. Now for the fun part, using the sushi bazooka. Open the bazooka and lightly moisten the inside. Fill each half with an even layer of seasoned sushi rice, leaving a small channel down the middle. Carefully place your chosen fillings into this channel. Close the bazooka firmly, ensuring the two halves click together. Then, with a steady motion, push the plunger to extrude a perfectly formed sushi rice log. Once your rice log is formed, gently place it onto a nori sheet. Roll the nori tightly around the rice, sealing the edge with a little water. Use a sharp, damp knife to slice the roll into 8 to 10 uniform, bite-sized pieces. Arrange your beautiful sushi on a platter and serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.